In this video, we are going to be making the body of the ghost. So a full sheet for the body and a square for the head. I will be demonstrating with blue color paper. We will begin by making the body. We position it vertically and fold it in half. Rotate and fold it in half. Now we position it vertically again, making sure that the folded edges are at the top. We are going to make a pinch mark about here, halfway this distance. Now we are going to make a fold along here by bringing that pinch mark and matching it to this edge. Turn it over and bring this edge over to match this edge. And it matches also the fold that we have on the back. Unfold. We can fold in half. Now we are going to make a fold starting at the end of that crease, finishing on this edge. Match this to the crease line. Unfold. Fold to the back as well, following the same crease. Unfold. We are going to unfold all the way. We can rotate here. We locate a rhombus here at the center. This section is a valley fold. This section is a mountain fold. We want to make sure we reinforce the whole crease as a valley fold. Same here, this outer crease, valley fold. The center of the rhombus also should be a valley fold, just the center. And the outside should be a mountain fold. We are going to fold along here, rotate, and then we are going to press at the center. Press so that these two halves of the rhombus touch. Then we can fold one flap to one side and the other to the other side. This is a pre-fold. We will be back there, but for the moment we are going to unfold and leave it like this. We are going to focus on the lower edge. We are going to be making a fold blunt in this corner. To do that, we are going to look here at the center and we are going to make a pinch mark at the midway that distance. And another pinch mark here. This section we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. At that first one we're going to fold up 45-degree angle, and then we fold to the back. The other point we trace by folding over and leave them behind. We can fold here and trace by folding over also. They don't have to be perfect. We're going to make a pinch mark here, halfway between the center and the left edge. That's the pinch mark. We have a crease ending here, and about 1/4 of that distance, about here, that's where our fold will begin. This fold is going to come from that folded edge down to here, to this corner. I make like a little pinch mark there in this direction, and then once it's there, bend the paper and adjust here. We leave it folded for the moment. We are going to fold here in half, and we are going to trace this here by folding to the back, a mountain fold. Unfold. Now we are going to make another fold from that same point down to the other corner. We have this, now we have that. So again, I do a pinch mark there in the direction and then adjust here. Once I have it in position on both ends, I finish the crease. And again, we fold along this vertical center. We already have one line there, and then we're going to make the other fold just tracing what we have on the front. Unfold. The fold that we just made, coming from the lower corner all the way up here, on the front is a valley fold, on the back is a mountain fold. So we want the valley fold also to be a mountain fold. So we reverse it. Same here. Now we're going to hold from the top center and from the side, and we are going to press and make a pleat. Same on this side, hold from the center. We have mountain fold here, mountain fold here. We press this. We also have to reverse that into a valley. Now we are going to pick it up by the shoulders here and then bring our hand underneath, and with the other hand we just press here at the center of the rhombus. We already have the folds there, so it's just a matter of refolding what we did before. We're going to flatten again for a moment, and we're going to blunt these corners a little bit so that they are softer. If we have this flap here, we move to the right, work on the left flap. We are going to make a fold that starts about here. That's halfway between the crease and the corner, about here. And this small section will match with the upper section. Then we can copy the fold. We can fold to the back first and then to the front. And then inside reverse fold. Same here.